Italian means 1. Natural beauties. From the Alps to Sicily, a land of unique food and wine, different from region to region. 2. Avant-garde fashion and design are known worldwide. Excellence in the science, innovation, and engines fields. 3. Both classical and modern music to enjoy. Opera and its very own world-class performers. Cinema and traditional theater. 4. Art, culture, history, and the vastest archaeological heritage in the world, celebrated by UNESCO. Whatever the reason might be for you to want to learn Italian, for pleasure and cultural advancement, for business, to get an official language certification. In order to access university, Bologna is the perfect place. ALCE is the right school where to learn your objectives. Why study Italian in Bologna? It's home to the oldest university in the world. A young, dynamic, and vibrant city, completely immersed in history. A wonderful location, authentically Italian, and far away from mass tourism. Centrally located, and very easy to reach. A green and safe space where to live and study. Why study Italian at ALCE? A medium-sized family-run school. A reputed, fully accredited institute. Member of IALC, ALE, and ASILS. Shortlisted for the second year in a row in the ST Star Italian Language School 2020 category, among the 5 best Italian schools. An officially recognized CILS, CELI, ALE, DITALS examination and teacher training center. Excellence in teaching. Our intensive courses in small classes of maximum 8 students. General language, business, exams and certifications. University pathway. Italian plus, history, art, cooking, wine tasting. Excellence in housing solutions. Carefully selected families at a close distance from the school. Self-managed residential accommodation provided. Private-owned kitchen in school for quality cooking classes. Social and cultural activities offered from a minimum of 3 to a maximum of 4 times per week. Ample opportunity for excursions and visits to many sites of interest. Italian language courses in Bologna have been our specialty for the last 20 years, and we would love to welcome you to our school. ALCE is a family-run school which prides itself on caring for each individual student. Our team of dedicated teachers and staff will do everything they can to ensure that you have one of the most enjoyable and productive times of your life.